All right, we're back for the final installment of Chase destroying everyone. We are, if you can see, we're back in. I think that we missed a big moment. I'm not really sure when the recording stopped, but we can see Chase has pushed in. So what happened? Basically, we got distracted over here. Things got crazy with Travis and Taylor, and Larry came over and things got real. While that was happening, Chase did multiple pushes. So he had, his big groups of paladins, and he pushed 2 in, and he sent them straight into my spot right in here. And it just kind of wiped out all of, you can see I've just got no villagers going on. And he's just eating up the trade. So that's where we're at right now. Chase is gonna win it. But you can see I'm trying to build a castle right here to keep him out, but it's not clearing things out very well. And Chase is just having his way. He's over here, even in Austin's base. He's just going crazy as much as he can. I like this tactic of just throwing it right in the middle. Oftentimes we see guys going like to right here and trying to take out the town centers. Chase didn't do that at all. He just went straight into the heart. And you can see that all of these guys are just chilling. And so I delete the castle because it's not getting built, and I need it to get built. So that gets moved. And Chase gets another set of horses, and here comes another set of horses. And they're just not able to keep Chase out at all. As Chase is just wrecking. And because of that, Taylor and Travis have now rallied. And they move forward, and they're just destroyed. So now they're in the front, and we can't keep them out. They're taking out Alex's forward stuff. I feel like Alex just didn't have as much military as I'm used to seeing from him. I don't know what was going on with that, but he played good. It's just a little different than what I'm kind of used to seeing, I guess. But they get crazy over here. He wiped out most of his forward operating stuff. I'm trying to defend. And it looks like we pushed Chase out. So Chase is now out. Walls are there. Larry's just doing this thing. And Sam's playing great. Larry's got the trebs going now. Trying to snipe fronts. And Chase is back in. Doing the same shenanigans that he's been doing. We're trying with everything we got to take these things out, but it's not happening. Now they're taking out fronts. This game is now basically over at this point. Taylor's, in full force. Chase not only saved that game, he's in here. Chase won this game. Even though he's got the low score, Chase has just worked this game. And now Austin's walled off the back of his base, but it's too little too late. Oh, and we forgot to mention that there's the gate thing that's been happening. What's this? I've never noticed this. Can your troops go through a castle? I'm interested to see that. because that looks funky. But yeah, Chase is wrecking this. He's all over all of the bases. He's running rampant. He's destroying the trade. And over here, Taylor's rushing in. Sam is resigned. I've resigned. Austin's resigned. We're going to just fast forward because I don't know why Alex decided to play forever afterwards, but he did. So, this is all that's left is this. Let's see here. So, that's essentially the game. Look at the stats real fast. Chase had the best economy. That's interesting. My military score was fine. Sam's military was bomber. Sam and Larry both had really good military scores. Sam was just killing a ton. Larry was killing a ton. Larry lost a ton. Larry lose the most? Larry did lose the most. Followed by Alex. So, but Travis and Taylor combined had a lot of troops that me and him were killing, that me and Alex were killing. So, there we go with the econs. Anything jumping off the table that I'm seeing? Sam had really good trade. Sam had really good food. Sam had really good wood, which makes sense, being the Celts. And then Taylor here. Technology, that's whatever. Society, I know Larry had a ton of castles. So, either way, thanks for watching. Chase, good job with the win last night. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm out.